I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in your Messenger. It's very easy to do, only takes a couple steps. So with certain apps, you'll be able to go into the app and specifically change that display, and other apps you'll have to go through your phone settings. Luckily with Messenger, we can just go ahead and change it in there. So if you were to go to Messenger and go to your menu button at the bottom right hand corner, you'll be here with your home page of your settings and all these things, and you just want to go to your settings at the very top. And then you're going to find dark mode right under active status. So we can go ahead and go into dark mode. And as you see here, it does have the option just to follow the system settings when you have your display on automatic change between light and dark. But for here, we can just go ahead and turn this on, and it's going to automatically switch this on to dark mode. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to be able to control and turn on dark mode only specifically in Messenger.